Can you say baby? Where's your baby? Hi, baby. Can you say cookie? Can you say Amy? Can you say Elmo? Elmo. Can you say mommy? Aw, kiss baby. Be sweet to baby. Aw, baby. Can you put baby in your stroller? Elmo. Aw, good mama. I'll hold Elmo. Okay. What a good mommy you are. Do you want to go eat pizza? Pizza? Let's go. Are you ready? Say let's go. Say let's go. Let's go. Do you want to see? Is that looking over the Elmo thing? Hey Elmo. Say bye. Bye. Ella, say bye-bye.